A very good day to you and welcome back to Learn with Yenn. It is indeed another great day for us to do an experiment. But before we start our experiment, please ask your mommy and daddy to join us and have some fun time together. In today's video, we will be trying out different things made from different materials to see what happens when they are put in water. Will the object sink or will it float? First, we will need to prepare a container or basin filled with some water. And here, I have different things made from different materials. Let's see what happens when we put in these plastic toys. Will they sink or float? Looks like they are floating. What about this toy that is made from rubber? Oops, looks like it sank. What about this wooden toy? Let's try putting it in the water. Will it sink or will it float? It floats. Can you see it? It's here floating. Let's see what shall we take next. What about this metal fork? Will this fork sink or will it float? Oops, it sank too. Now let's try putting this glass jar. What do you think will happen? Will it sink or will it float? Let's try. It sank. Now for our last object, this sponge. Let's see what happens if we put in the sponge in the water. It floats too. What about we take the same sponge and soak it in water and see what happened to the sponge? Oh, it is also floating. Did you have a good time guessing what object sink and what object float? It is amazing to know that different materials acted differently when they are put in the water. Those that float, like the plastic toys, the sponge, and the wooden block, are light in weight. That is what made them stay on water. The metal fork and the rubber toy sank because they weigh heavier, and that's what made them stay inside the water. As for the glass jar, it stayed afloat until it was filled with water and it sank. However, the sponge is different. Even when I soak it in water, it will still float because sponges are made of very light material that helps them to stay afloat. I hope you had a great time doing this experiment with your mommy and daddy or brother and sister. Thank you for watching this video. See you again soon. Bye!